G'day! In today's video I've got a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and this particular one is I will be changing the battery with a Nohan branded battery. Highly unlikely I'll be using the included kit as I've got superior tools to use myself. But while we're there we'll check it out and see what's actually included in the box. So being this is a fairly old phone now, it is extremely tired, the battery. The battery itself is pretty plain. Pretty straightforward and simple. Definitely feels like I don't know, the quality of it doesn't feel that great, but if it is a genuine Nohan, I have pretty good trust in this particular brand, so I don't see why they're really much of a drama. Proceed, we have a new sticky pull tab as well. What else have we got in here? So I will not be using the included tools because the included tools do not exist. Also, I don't know what's going on with this. It must be so it self-centers, which actually isn't a bad idea. Put all the stuff I don't need over to the side here. To get into the back of the phone, I'm going to be using isopropyl alcohol, which I'll put a thin bead around the edge. And actually, this particular model I think has been opened once before, being that it's already coming off on one side with just heat. If I fold that now. Okay, that was easier than I anticipated. I'd say this back has been replaced once upon a time. I'll use some B7000 frame adhesive to stick that back down later. Now if I zoom you guys in a bit, I'm going to be wanting to take off this shield here, and that should get me into the majority of it. So I'm going to be using a small 000 Phillips head screwdriver. These just work just fine on these. I should be able to pry this up just slightly. Okay. Disconnect it up here. Fold this back. Oh. It even brought up the sensor for the pen. Clip that back down. Yep. There we go. Take that off completely off. Put that out of the way. I'll loosely compare. Read how it goes all the way over there. And as I'm looking at this, I'm curious if it's the right model number. N981 versus N980. The N981 is the 5G model. The N980 is the 4G model. They do seem to have a lot of interconnected parts, or interchangeable parts. So I'm hoping that what that will simply mean is that it will work. Push in there and pry up. So I've put some isopropyl alcohol under the battery, or at least that's where I'm hoping that it's going. The phone's not quite as old as I thought it was. I thought it was actually older than that. Change it to a metal pry tool, which I don't usually like using, but that gets it started. Lift it underneath. Okay. One battery out. Compare physical sizes. They do look to be the same size. Should be right. This little pull tab can come off. And I'll just have to bend this flex cable to where it needs to go. Put it in there loosely. The soften adhesive is going to do its job just fine, because that's going to stay there anyway. Now does this have a rating capacity on it? 4170 milliamps, 4170 milliamps. So they are identical in milliamps. Now I'll just reconnect. I'll disconnect the battery now that I've got it connected, that it lines up just fine. I'll proceed to reconnect everything else here. thinking about it, I'm going to take a quick photo of that because I need to order one of those. Click. As the charging port is not that great, and the charging port is on this cable and not on a separate charging board, which is what I expected it to be. So today I'm doing battery only. Next up, I'm going to fold this just slightly, line it up over the top, then push down. There we go, that's reconnected. Fold it over, push it down, go. And next up we have some screws. One, I'm pretty sure all these screws are of the same length, so we should be right. 2, 3, 4, 5. And from there I'd recommend just sticking it on charge, letting it charge up as full as it will go before turning it on. But otherwise, if we're all good from there, I'm going to use some of this stuff. And I'll just put a thin bead of it around the outside here on the existing adhesive that is a little bit tacky from the isopropyl I put earlier. Go. And next up I'll just flip it over, push it down, put a couple of lacquer bands on there, let it cool down, and then I'm going to stick this on charge. Lacquer bands was get a bit better bond, some relatively chunky lacquer bands kicking around. And these guys. We'll go in the middle as well. And one more at the bottom. And that is how to change the battery on a Note 20/Note 20 5G. I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.